Was it fear of inflation and, financial uncertainty that led investors to continue to pile into gold in the first quarter of this year? I'm not talking about whether you see the price spike. I'm talking about the investment. Joining us now in a Fox Business exclusive, George Milling Stanely, Managing Director at the World Gold Council. George, what I find fascinating is the turnaround. The last time we spoke back in 2008, the Indians were buying up gold as jewelry. That's completely reversed and fallen by 83%. But the actual investment aspects of it, people buying gold ETFs or buying it just for sheer investment, jumped more than 248%. Why?
I guess that really explains why we call India a price-sensitive market, because it does respond to big changes in the price, and it also responded to the big change in the economy. We've managed to outsource recession as well as many other things to India recently. They're suffering the pain of the global downturn, and that's why they bought an awful lot less in the form of jewelry.
What's going on in the minds of people who are buying it for the investment? Because we touched 1,000, pulled right back like, you touch a hot stove, and we haven't been able to break through that ceiling.
People are buying not so much focusing on capital appreciation right now, but on preservation of wealth. And I think that's been one of the things that have been working in gold's favor as an investment in recent months.
Okay, we're up 16, nearly 17 bucks today. Is that, I don't know, dollar weakness, fears about the economy? What changed between yesterday and today? We know about our deficits. We know the problems. I mean, is it that the UK got put on negative watch?
Maybe they're just the first. I mean, it could be us next time. There's been that sort of speculation that's come about already. I think it's all of the things you mentioned. Dollar weakness, it's inflation, it's the recession, it's a safe haven buying, it's a whole bunch of things. Plus, investors coming to that appreciation that gold is a better diversifier than most other assets. And even though it's very volatile lately, it's actually less volatile than most other assets.
Okay, but what do you do with it? You've got a couple of Krugerrands stashed under the bed or in the wall. I mean, that's a very Depression era or even, Holocaust thinking, because of course that's exactly what my dad did. He said he wanted to make sure he always had physical gold hidden in the house because he was worried that at some point dollars wouldn't be worth anything. But in this day and age, what is the value of holding physical gold?
It's because gold tends to outperform other assets. If other assets are going down, gold is much more liable to hold its value, and that in itself, wealth preservation, as I said earlier, that's been the primary reason people have been buying it. Plus it diversifies your whole portfolio, so that actually helps to give you a better risk-reward profile.
What happens if the dollar reverses? And I don't think that